Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Vena vCommute iPhone 14 Pro Max case with integrated wallet. So, here's the case. Has a nice design, sort of like a blue. You've got protection all the way around. Cutouts for your ports, volume, power buttons, and here's what the inside looks like. Designed in Minnesota to cover your camera cluster there to protect it. And then here's the integrated wallet feature. So you can put cards and cash right in there. And this does not come out of the case. This is attached. They have a vCommute Pro where they have a MagSafe wallet like this that comes out of the case. This one's integrated, and we also like the feature where if you fold this over, you can use this phone and case in landscape mode, just like that. So you can watch your movies or attend Zoom meetings or whatever you need to do in landscape mode. And this just flips right back out and folds right back over with magnets. That is the vCommute case with wallet from Vena. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. This is for the iPhone 14 Pro Max.